kitchen, but quite functional and is my comfort zone. They say happiness is homemade, and every piece of happy food that I make for my girls and my guests are homemade in this small space. Tonight, I will be making my well-loved pork binagoongan. Actually, this is my first time to share my recipe to a wide audience. Sana wag niyo akong i-bash. Okay, so let's see the ingredients. The first one, the main ingredient is we have pork. We actually choose menudo cut. Okay, so this is all lean part. This is menudo cut. Some would prefer yung may taba, but for me, I prefer yung walang taba because that's not very healthy. Well, this is not healthy kasi pork, but we prefer na lang na walang taba. So, the menudo cut without the taba. So, I'm preparing 1 kilo of menudo cut. And then, I have here tomatoes. So, I use medium-sized tomatoes. About 6 to 7 pieces, but this one is about 500 grams. And then I have here 2 medium-sized onions, it's about 120 grams. And then about 4 cloves of garlic. And then I also have here eggplant. We also call this brinjal, we call this talong. Okay, so about half a kilo of it for 1 kilo of meat. And then of course, the star is Barrio Fiesta Bagoong. Normally, I'm really not a fan of using ready mix for my recipe. So in the past, I would use the raw bagoong, that one na nabibili sa palengke, and then ginigisa ko. But then I discovered that this one is better. The taste is already there. So it's easier to use. So from when I discovered this has been my go-to bagoong for my pork binagoongan. So I choose the spicy one because I'm not really very fond of spicy food, no. This one I can tolerate. So I don't have to add fresh chilies anymore. The spiciness of this Barrio Fiesta chili is a chili bagoong or spicy bagoong is just nice. Okay, so these are the main ingredients, very simple. And then yeah, so let's get started. I'll show you what to do with all of these ingredients. Well, just a few of them. Okay. So what we did with the 4 cloves of garlic, we just have to mince garlic. Yeah. And then for onions, we cut it ginisa cut. I don't know how to say that in English, no? Pero iba-iba kasi ng cut yung onions. Meron yung mapino, eto ginisa cut lang. Kaliwete ako, no, sa sa paghiwa, but when I write, I'm right-handed. Pero kahit kaliwete ako maghiwa, hindi po ako kaliwete. Yan, so, kailangan daw, sabi ng father ko, ni Papa, maraming sibuyas. Kasi apart from the tomatoes, we get the sauce from onions. So, I always keep that in mind. Basta gumagawa ako ng anything saucy, I put a lot of onions. And, syempre, tomatoes. Now, for the tomatoes, si Mama, when she make use of tomatoes, tinatanggal niya pa yung buto.